Scientific 1.1 exercise 1.1 be rational numbers ni, right? Rational number ni Scientific 1.1. Alright. गाहायाव होनायफोरा थार एबा थार नङि थार नङा सायख'नानै लिर. Okay, you have to write only true or false. थार माने true, थार नङि माने false. Alright. रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया दाजाब आरो सानजाबनायाव थास्लायलि धोरोम मानियो. This is true. दाजाबनाय आरो सानजाबनायाव थास्लायलि धोरोम मानियो. That means A into B equal to B into A. बे सानजाबनाय. दाजाबनायावबो बिदिनो जाखायो. A plus B equal to B plus A. Correct? This is correct only. For example, 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2, which is equal to 5. Okay? 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6. Slightly positional change. Okay? So this is true. 산접타이 온지마야 란접타이 온지마야 단코 아래 란네요 타조타일리 드러마니 타조타일리마니 associative. This is false. Okay, this is false. मारे हिंदं 타조타일리 associative means A 단코, right? A minus B minus C is actually not equal to A minus B minus C. Okay. Run away bibitini. A divided by B divided by C is not actually so A divided by B divided by C, then this bracket is not equal to A divided by B bracket divided by C. Okay. बेखायनो बेयो false. दानिया नै रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया दानख'नायाव फांथेर जानाय नङा. This is false. मानो होनबा A minus B equal to C, right? So this is 2 minus 1 equal to 1 or 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1. बेयो मोनसे rational number. बेबो मोनसे rational number. ओंखायनो नैबे statementआ false. लाथिख'नि थाफुंथा फारि उल्था गैया. This is true. मानो होनबा 0नि reciprocals 1 minus 0 बे गैया. Correct? This is meaningless. So this is true. 0आ रानजोबथाय अनजिमा. This is also true. Okay? This is also true. दानिया बेयो true ना false? मिलायनायखौ नागिर हो. This 3 by 2, we have 3 by 2, 5 by 6, 5 by 6, 4 by 7, 4 by 7. So this is true. Here tar. Okay. Then yeah, ini kon nai boni. Okay. Number 6 select. Number 6 sa Monday. Okay. The we call associative in we okay. So 5 by 9 into this, then 5 by 9 into this. Huh? So we have these two you need to multiply. By multiplication jading. Na thai plus ni unaw ni plus ni unaw ni bikilo leading. Eh? Ni biko lead aksi biko lead bono gunari. 5 by 9. Ba biye true jaguman. Tabi ko direction lai biye false. Ni biye missing. Okay, biye nagkuman. Ni boleh. 7 by 12. Oh. 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Negative 3 by 7. Bijaya de. Biye false. Not correct. Huh? Iki jaya biye. Ni boleh. Minus 3 by 11 into 2 by 9. This is this. Now this is missing. 2 by 9 na gamanani tungo. Nangkane biye false. Okay. Then be ole. Okay, this is distributive law. Okay. 4 as I common. Okay, nangkane first Beijing sanjab when you plus dong plus sign here, every Beijing sanjab ono be. Okay. So this is correct because we maniko sanjab thing. Plus sign dongo. Maybe plus sign. When you 4 by 9 into minus 5 by 6. So this is true. Okay, this is true. Understood? Dazabli ta ulta. Onjima perko lead means a plus minus a equal to 0. Okay, only this part. If a, then you have to find out minus a. Very simple. Okay, paune deni minus 7 by 9. Pini ta ulta. Dazabli ta ulta again. Be minus no minus munto. Be again plus 7 by 9. Okay, very simple. Be plus 3. Answer by minus 3. What will be the minus 2 is again plus 2 divided by 8. Okay. Be within it. Be minus 1 top. Be plus second 19 plus 7. Okay. Be minus no. Be plus second plus A divided by C. Okay. Easy. Then you be minus 20 by 11 haram 5 by 6 ni dazabli ta ulta onjo amani khuli easy. Be minus na is plus 20 by 11. Okay. Is by plus 5 by 6 is again minus 5 by 6. Okay. Winifred Bicone Sanjabli ta ulta onjo पर lead Sanjabli ta ulta हमारी चाहिए. If A, we need to find out 1 by A, which will give us 1. Okay, easy. A ni ta Sanjabli ta ulta as by 1 by A. Okay. Bicone देने Sanjabli ta ulta 13 where A equal to minus 13. Huh? Nengkani bini 1 by A as again minus 1 by minus 13. Okay. Biko nai. बेबायदि मोनोबा बेखौ simplify खालामनानै लागो हो. So this is, let me erase, okay. बेयो मा minus 4/9 into minus 2/7. This can be simplified like this. 9 into 7 is 63, right? Minus minus plus to 4 8. Dania bini sanjabli tha ulta. This is a A. Huh? This is your A. Okay, you have to find out A on by A. So this is actually ulta. Okay, ulta खालामनांगौ ना. 8आ गोजौमोन ना 63 गाहाय 63आ गोजौआव थांगोन दाना 8आ गाहायाव फैगोन. Okay, नैबे उल्था. Okay, understood? Alright. दानिया बेखौबो simplify खालामगोन. Minus बेखौ सानजाब गोजौ गोजौ सानजाब मा जागोन minus 4/5 बे जाबाय जोंनि A. जों दिहुननांगौ 1/A 1/A नो उल्टा. So this will become minus 5/4. Okay, minus 5/4. था उल्टा खालामनांगौ उल्टा बेलायनि B1 बेनि उल्टा जागोन minus 1/1 which is basically minus 1. So बेनि था उल्टाया actually minus 1. This is the one. Okay, बेनालाय उल्टा खालामनांगौ 2n नि उल्टाया मा 2n/5 5आ गोजौआव थांगोन गाहायाव 2n. Okay, all right, we'll move on. Then your serial number 5 ko naini minus 1 2/3 ni sanjabli tha ulta. Ya 5/3 jagan na jaya. Okay, sanjabli tha ulta. गिबियाव बेखौ simplify खालाम. So this is minus 1 2/3. This is equal to actually minus गाहायाव 3. दानिया बेजों बेखौ सानजाबनांगौ हा 1 into 3 बेनि थाखाय plus 2. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 2 equal to minus 3 गोजौआव जाबाय 5. Okay, बेनि reciprocal था उल्टा सानजाबलि था उल्टा यानी 1/A. Okay, so this is equal to minus उल्टा 3आ गोजौआव थांगोन 5आ गाहायाव फैगोन. Okay, बेनि जाबाय बेनि था उल्टा. खिन्थु जोंहा नैबे नैबेसो दं which is incorrect. बेयो incorrect ना correctआ नैबेसो. So this answer is no. Okay, answer is no. Okay, remember that. So this is no. Then 6 ko naini 1 ni sanjabli आरो दाजाबलि था उल्टाया मा 1 नि सानजाबलि means 1 into 1/1 equal to 1. So सानजाबलिया जाहैबाय आन्सारा नैबेनो 1. 1 नि सानजाबासो 1 मोनोना. So सानजाबलि था उल्टाया जाहैबाय 1. बेनिफ्राय मा होनदों दाजाबलि था उल्टा means A plus minus A equal to 0. जोंनि A आ मा 1. So what is minus A? Minus A is 1. So answer is minus 1. Okay, so the answer is this is no, this is 1 and minus 1. Understood? Sanjabli. Okay, Sanjabli आरो दाजाबलि था उल्टा 1 and minus 1. Minus 4 by 9 are minus 11 by 16. Ni 산잡리 다 옳다. 뭔지만 뭐니까 clear. 산잡리 means 내비코 디고나고. Right? A first of A आ जाए नहीं बेनी उल्टा लेते मजे माइनस तो माइनस दं खाइए 9 गोजौआव थांगोन गाहायाव थागोन 4 ओके दानिया बेनि सानजाबनि थावथाबसे गोजौआव 16 थांगोन गाहायाव 11 फैगोन easy ओके दानिया नैबेखौ नायनो 8 गाहायनि अनजिमा मोननैनि थाफुंथा reciprocalफोरखौ थाफुंथा means reciprocal means again 1 by a okay you have to find out 1 by a so 1 by b 1 by a ulta लेते को ulta so this is 3 by 2 okay this is the answer when you ulta तो minus 12 by 5 okay this is the answer 9 खौ नायनि थाफुंथाजों एखे जानाय रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया मा थाफुंथा means it is asking this question मोनसे नम्बर दङदि a equal to 1 by a equal जानांगोन a equal to 1 by a दानिया अगर a equal to 2 then 1 by a will be 1 by 2 right so 2 is not equal to 2 right 2 is not equal to 1 by 2 okay 2 आ जाए 3 को लाइबा नाइजे 3 is not equal to 1 by 3 right so 3 अब जाया दानिया if we take 1 1 ni उल्टे आमा 1 so this is equal to 1 so this is मोनसे मोनबाय okay what about minus 1 minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 1 okay so this is equal to minus 1 so B मोनसे so बिनि एन्सारानो जाहैदों 1 and minus 1 okay बिनि एन्सारा जादों 1 and minus 1 okay let me erase okay दानिया नै 10 minus 2 by 5 by 26 खौ 5 by 13 नि थाफुंथाजों सानजाब minus 2 by 26 सानजाब नांगौ मानि थाफुंथा बिनि थाफुंथाया बेसे माने this is something like this ना 5 by 13 okay this is actually 1 by a equal to how much 5 by 13 na any 1 by a will be what equal to 13 by 5 so this will be 13 by 5 so this equal to minus 25 26 into 13 गोजौआव थांगोन 5 आव गाहायाव फैगोन ना okay now this can be written as 26 को 2 into 13 ले जाए ना correct 5 को 20 minus 25 को 5 into 25 ले जाए ना 5 into 5 not 5 into 5 into 5 ले जाए ना into 13 divided by 5 नायदो गोजौनि गाहायनि एखे जानायखौ दाननो हायो दे 13 13 5 5 होमबा बेसेबां थाखो गाहायाव 2 गोजौआव minus 5 this is the answer so answer is minus 5 by 2 okay this is the answer all right धन्य 11खौ नायनि मा धोरोम बाहायनाय जादों लिर okay -3/5 into -2/7 -2/7 into -3/5 नायदोनि बेयो सेकेन्ड पोजिशन मोनना नैबे फार्स्ट पोजिशन okay नैबे फार्स्ट पोजिशन मोनना नैबे सेकेन्ड पोजिशन so the धोरोमा जाबाय commutative law under multiplication okay बाव नायदो 0 जों एड खालामदों so this is additive spelling AD na AD at additive identity additive identity दाजाबलिथा बिथा होनो बर'नि okay बेबो now बेयो multiplicative identity मानोना this equal to multiply by 1 okay and you get this right so this is called multiplicative identity TITY so this is multiplicative okay multiplicative identity okay so we are done दानिया अनजिमानि धोरोम बाहायनानै मान दिहुन okay 6/7 नैबेयाव 7 दं दे गाहायना इम्पर्टेन्ट गोजौना बारा इम्पर्टेन्ट नङा दे गाहायखौ नागिर 7 बेनिफ्राय जोंहा 5 बेखौ आं बेजों ज' खालामगोन बेजों बेखौ ज' खालामगोन बेनिफ्राय बेजों आं नैबेखौ ज' 5 so this can be written as 6 divided by 7 plus 2 divided by 7 okay association I'm making some association here associative law okay plus 2/5 this plus 1/5 associated so this is equal to now I have 7 6 plus 2 plus I have 5 2 plus 1 so this is how much this is 8/7 plus 3/5 okay I'm going to get होमबा 7 and 5 नि LCMआ बेसे 7 and 5 नि LCMआ जेजोंबो थाङा so 7 into 5 which is actually 35 okay so I'll write here 35 को 7 जों रानोबा मा बेसेबां मोनो 5 then जोंहा गोसोआव 8 दङ 8 then you have plus sign दङ plus okay 35 को 5 जों रानोबा मोनगोन 7 into 3 okay so this is equal to 35 40 plus 21 so this is equal to 35 0 plus 1 is 1 4 plus 2 is 6. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Alright, this is the answer. Now this is done. What about this? 670 into 7. Okay. So this was associative, right? This was associative. Now see a distributive na maybe common, very common. So this is distributive. This is these three view tip. Okay, this is distributive. Now let us write this. So 670 is common. 670 is common. Then the 7 by 11 plus this 1 by 3. Okay. So this is equal to 670. Now Gaini LCM na 33, right? Then 7 into because 11 ka 3 man gan plus 3 sing because 11, so 1 into 11. Okay. So this is equal to what? 670 into, okay, kaya siya 33. Then if I this is multiplied 1 plus 11. Okay, so this equals 670 into that 3. Now if you multiply by these two, how much you adding? So 112. Then you have this 2 1 32. So this is equal to 33. You need to multiply these two. So 670 into 32. How much you get? 0, 14, 1, 12, 13. Correct? 0, 21, 1, 2, 18, 20. Correct? So you get 0, 4, 4, 1, 2. So 2, 1, 4, 4, 0. This is the answer. Okay? This is the answer. So we are done. Then now this 7 by 5 see common. So again this is distributive. Okay. So 7 by 5 this is common. Jangan bracket dong minus 3 by 8. Increasing I think is plus dong plus 3 by 4. Easy 3 by 4. So 7 by 5 into what is the LCM? LCM is actually 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So 1 into minus 3. Okay. We have plus 8 को 14 divided by 2 mungkin 2 into 3. Okay. So this is equal to 5, 7 into 8. This is minus 3. Then this is plus 6. Okay. So this is equal to what? 8. Sorry. 1 minute. Sorry. Nhưng ở tôi ngó 7 by 5 na. 7 by 5 into 8. Now this is how much? This is plus 3, right? So finally we have kaini sanjante 40 is 21. This is the answer. Hmm? This is the answer. Okay. Daniani Vikunaini. This is basically distributive. Distributive loco use kalam. So this is equal to minus 5 by 9. Aglobijin sanjung again. Okay. Into again minus 27 by 15. Ini pressing a plus sign dona. Plus Ambre Picolet minus 5 by 9 into Nebico. Okay, Nebico. So this is 36 by Kayo 25. Okay, this now we minus na to plus sabay. Ng kanyang sin ko gumare bayare 5 by 9. Okay, into tara natin eh. We 15 ko spay na 5 into 3 equal to 15. 27 ko spay na 9 into 3 is 27. Okay. Bao na din negative dong na. Yung kanina ni negative jagan minus. Okay. Minus 5 by 9. Okay. Into 36 kumarilin hagan 9 into 4. Correct? 25 kumarilin hagan 5 into 5. Okay. VABD. Okay. VABD. Okay. Then yeah. Gojo guy done cancel kalam sing strike out. These 5 strike out. This 9 ये 3 this 3 gone. हमारी था just one था भाई 1 okay और वो नहीं देनी 9 5 5 okay माथा का 4 and 5 लो था भाई so this is equal to all these are 1 minus 4 by 5 okay 4 by 5 so this is equal to LCM is 5 you have this 5 minus 4 answer is 1 by 5 this is the answer okay this is the answer got it okay now we need to work on this okay there are so many plus minus 3 2 by 3 ni proposing 2 by 3 dong over 2 by 3 dong and 2 by 3 and common so this is common okay which is good so this is distributed law so this is something like this okay maybe halada tar singitar okay makasih kasih 2 by 3 dong 2 by 3 1 by 4 kaya namin ko ulta left ni say okay 3 by 3 which is basically 1 then you get plus 2 by 3 maybe 2 by 3 then minus 1 by 4 this into 2 by 3 then you're raising a plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 okay so this is what this is actually 1 plus 2 by 3 a common there so 2 by 3 okay bracket this is 1 this is 1 by 4 this is plus 1 by 2 right so this is equal to 1 1 plus 2 by 3 echo Vini LCM again 4 na. So this is 4 minus 4 1 sorry. So this is actually 1. Then you have 2 4 divided by 2 you get 2, so you get here plus 2 into 1, correct? Okay, so 1 plus 2 by 3. Okay, then 4 minus 1 plus 2, 4. Okay, so this plus 2 by 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, this is 5. Okay, now this is equal to 1 plus 2 2 because it is sums up the okay. And then 10 kaya man gan 12. Okay, so this is equal to 12 multiply 12 plus 10. So this is equal to 2 to 22. 2 2 by 12. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, because sustainable na haye manana because 2 jing divide kala mo mamani ko 11 man gan about 6. This can be written as I have 6 because you have 1 1. Okay, 11 by 6. Okay, Danya ne bikunai ni. We have distributed like 4 by 7 and 4 by 7 common. Okay, so this can be written as 4 by 7 multiplied by minus 5 by 9. Okay, plus sign dong 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5. Alright, so this is equal to 4 by 7 into Bini LCM ajakan 45 na. So 9 ko 45 ko 9 jalan ba 5. So minus 5 into 5 plus 45 ko 5 jalan about 9. So 1 into 9. Correct? So this is equal to 4 by 7 into 45. Okay. So minus 25 plus 9. Okay. This is equal to how much? 4 7 into 45. This is how much? This is 16, right? Minus 16. Minus 1 6. Okay. Minus 1 6. So this is equal to minus 64. You multiply this 45 into 7, 35, 3, then you have 28, so 1, then you have 3. So kaya again 315, 315. This is the answer. Okay. Then you kunai ni. नैबे मोनसे जरा आरो बे मोनसे जरा बे मोनसे जराथाम दं कमनखौ नागिरलाय 2 by 3 बाव गैया जोंखौ लाला okay 5 by 7 is basically we can write 1 by 7 कुछ इशू नहीं है तो 1 by 6 1 by 7 बेखौ 1 by 7 लिरनो हायो बेनिफ्राय नैबेखौबो 1/7 लायनो okay I will rewrite this okay this can be written as so 7 7 नैबाबो 7 मोनगोन हो मारै लिरगोन 2/3 into -5/7 minus 1/6 into 3/7 plus 1/14 को लिरगोन आं 7 into 2 okay into 2/3 jadi ikut dan lainnya cancel jangan biar okay so this is actually 2/3 into -5/7 minus 1/6 into 3/7 plus 1/7 into 1/3 dan ini this 7 here 7 common 1/7 is common so I'll write here now 1/7 common 1/7 common second 2 divided by 3 into hang 1 lo sila na so this will be -5 again okay kaya 1 okay bracket dan yani minus 1/6 ang 1/7 lo sila na so it will be 3 1/1 okay within plus ang iba wala din ang 1/7 ko lang na 1/3 lo thagan so entire thing is like this okay so this is equal to now 1/7 we can multiply kalam de this is -10/3 okay then you have this minus kahit 6 1 into 3 is 3 okay then plus 1 3 okay now see 1/7 into because solve column number so what is LCM LCM is 6 so 6 divided by 3 is 2 so minus 10 into 2 then you have minus already 3 6 divided by 6 is 1 then you get this plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 correct so you have this okay so this is equal to 1/7 kaya tungo 6 20 minus 20 minus 3 plus 2 right so this is 1/7 into 6 so how much is 21 right minus 21 so answer is 42 minus 21 this is the answer okay easy or this can be written as minus 1 2 to 4 yeah this is also correct this can be written as this because 21 you divide 42 by 21 you get this okay you got this is also correct then 13 ko खालामनानै नायनि गाहायनि अनजिमा माखासेया दाजाब एडिशन आरो सानजाबनायाव मल्टिप्लिकेशनाव था जथायलि mean associative right associative okay धोरोम मानियो ना खालामना नाय we have to prove associative means A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C बे दाजाबनायाव सानजाबनायबो सानजाबनायावबो easy A into B. Sorry. Hmm. A into B bracket into C equal to A into B into C. बेखौनो जों प्रुफ खालामनांगौ अके आं लिरनानै होनि नोंसोरो सनाफोरा प्रुफ खालाम दे दाजाबनायाव खालामग्रोनि -2/3 plus 3/8 plus 4/5 बेखौ बेबायदि associative format आव लिरदो now this should be equal to this okay so -2/3 plus 3/8 plus 4/5 nearly बेखौ प्रुफ खालाम दे प्रुफ खालाम प्रुफ ओके बेबायदिनो सानजाबनायखौ खालामनो इजि सानजानायाव मारै जागोन -2/3 into 3/8 into 4/5 बेखौ सानजाबग्रोदो now this should be equal to -2/3 into 3/8 into 4/5 okay you have to prove this is equal as per this law they are equally equal दाजाबथाय आरो सानजाबनायाव दाजाबनाय आरो सानजाबनायाव associative lawखौ मानियो okay so please work out this and this okay all right we are going to move on दानिया नैबेखौ नायनि 14 मोनसे बिदिन्थिनि हेफाजाबै दिन्थि दि रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया राननायाव फांथे जानाय नङा माने क्लोजर प्रपर्टी ऑफ अंडर डिवीजन माने डिवीजनआ क्लोजर प्रपर्टी मानिया होननानै बुंदों क्लोजर प्रपर्टी माने if A is a number divided by some number B should give me C okay for example 20 divided by 5 should give you 4 likewise 6 divided by 3 is giving you 2 these are following the closure property ये मानिए नाथाय नैबाव देनि 20 divided by 0 this is actually meaningless right meaningless no meaning ओंथि गैया because of this property we are saying that रानजोबथा अनजिमाया फांथे जानाय नङा रानजोबथाय अनजिमाया राननायाव फांथे जानाय नङा this is it okay all right this is the last exercise okay we are done with thank you so much all the best